Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the coming series of video tutorial, what I will be doing is I will be creating a basic client-side application. It's going to be a client-side application using the following technology. I'll be using AngularJS. I think my latest version that I have was 4.2. And it's like I said, it's going to be a basic CRUD application, and I'll be using SQL Server to process the data. And we'll be covering the TypeScript also. As the AngularJS is written in TypeScript. TypeScript is really awesome programming language from Microsoft. I mean, like, the whole idea about TypeScript is that it makes writing your complex JavaScript a lot easier. So this day, of course, in Angular you have to know TypeScript, but and even like if you don't like to, if you want to use TypeScript to write all your JavaScript API, you can basically write every logic in TypeScript and basically transpile it into JavaScript, and the browser can render, which is really awesome. And of course, my expectation is you're familiar with JavaScript or basic client-side, web technologies. And familiarity with the JSON is useful because all the persistence is happen from the REST services, because the server will be fetching the JSON data from the server, and we'll be sending out JSON data for persisting, all those kind of thing. And in terms of server side, in this application, I'll be using Asp Net Core 2.0, and we're using Entity Framework, and we'll be using this approach of model first design, meaning we'll be creating our model, our classes and properties and everything that, and we'll be using Entity Framework, the command to create our databases in table and all those kind of things. And in terms of development environment, in this video I have decided to use Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition, which is open source. I mean, we're not really open source, but it's a free to download from Microsoft. You can play with it, you can download. And okay, anyway, so what I will be doing, I'll be developing everything from full-fledged. I have some partially working application I would like to show you guys how it looks like. But starting, that, and what we'll be doing, as in all my videos, I'll be creating everything from the scratch, and I will be explaining all the thing that every technology, how it works, all those things. Basically, we'll be coding together. Okay, so let's look at this simple application. Okay. Well, initially I got this idea about this. I got from the Stack Overflow. I mean, this is, as a developer, you guys, everybody. I mean, I haven't seen any developer that they are not familiar with the Stack Overflow. And then I was also looking at this feature, developer job, one day, and then I come up with this idea. So basically, my data structure table, I got this based on this feature. I basically created my table and all those my model is based on this. And initially in this application, I started with basically other feature of the Stack Overflow, basically the tag feature. And so you can think this application as basically the admin version of the tag feature of the application. But of course, not only tag was really simple application based in terms of CRUD application, not that much, because it doesn't have that many fields. But however, if you have to create a full-fledged job functionality, that can be a lot. So for example, in this here add job, you have a lot of fields here. You have, you need to know the job title, the company name, address of where the job is, and the city, and of course the state if it's in US, and zip code, and all the list of countries. I mean, not list of country where the job is, and type of job, whether the job is permanent, part-time, or seasonal, or whatever, whether the job offers the equity, whether the job offers the remote work is available or not, or some of the benefit job provides, and the type of company type. All this basically I came up with this. Well, I got that idea from the Stack Overflow, and there is the job details. It's what it is, So let me show you how this application really works. Let's say I'm hiring senior software engineer, and company is, let's say, ABC. Address somewhere, some city, state, I don't know, maybe California is okay. USA. And the job type is permanent job type that we are trying to fill in. Salary range is 200,000, I don't know, whatever. So this provides some sort of equity, remote work is available. Or this feature, job benefit, is not really working because job benefit, like I said, this is a working application right now. You know, job benefit doesn't really belong here because this one job will have many benefits. So I will be creating a page for itself later on once the job is created. So this one is not really tied up yet with the job, creating job yet. So here, type a company, whether public or private. Let's say it's a private company, and the job details. I'm just going to grab some text from here. Okay, whatever they're saying here. Okay, that's the job detail, and then just create job. Oh, I have that. Okay, so of course, you know, this application right now has a lot of bug and stuff, and then here is if I go into view job, and I should be able to see the just new job that we created here, senior software engineer. For the company name is ABC company, and then of course the salary range right here, and then of course this link right here will take you into the job detail. Okay, you know, about this job, the job title and name of the company and description of the job, blah blah blah, whatever, and then this would allow to apply the job. Of course, I haven't developed this feature to apply the job and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the feature we'll be developing in this application, and of course we will have not only that, we will have this one. Only adds, we just have add job functionality. We need to develop the feature code to edit the job and be able to, you know, basically delete the job. All those kind of functionality we'll be developing using, as I said, all these new technology. It is I mean, writing, you will be so amazed when you start writing AngularJS, starting with the version 2 or version 4.0 is awesome, and starting from 2.0, you don't feel like you're really writing JavaScript. You feel like you're always, the code is so as if like server side. You're always dealing with you know, just kind of object and properties, and you feel really good. So I really encourage you guys to learn AngularJS 4.0. You know, Angular starting from 2.0. Anyway, guys, this is going to be the brief introduction of the videos and what I will be developing in the near future. Starting from the second video, will be writing code from the scratch. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel and watching and commenting both bad and good. And you know, some of the comments are really awesome, and I appreciate both of them, good and bad, and feedback. Thank you so much.